Hello everyone, in this tutorial, you will be looking at modeling and structural analysis of the cantilever beam. Let's get into it. I'm using Ansys Workbench to perform the analysis. Now, let's drag the static structural module to the workspace and right-click on the geometry and select New Design Modeler Geometry for modeling. After the opening of Design Modeler, select XY plane and click on Normal View for sketching the beam. Now, click on Sketching and select Rectangle. Change the units to millimeters. Draw a rectangle in the workspace. After that, click on Dimensions and Horizontal for specifying the horizontal dimensions. For specifying, select two vertical lines. As the same way, select Vertical for specifying vertical dimensions, and select two horizontal lines. In the left bottom corner of the design modeler, we have to specify the width and height of the beam. After specifying dimensions, select Extrude feature, and now we have to select Geometry for extrude operation. Select the geometry and click on Apply. Now we have to specify the depth or length of the cantilever beam as 500 mm and click on Generate. After the completion of the geometry, close the design modeler. Now right-click on the model and select Edit. After the opening of the Mechanical Aptal module, right-click on Mesh and select Generate the Mesh. As we know less element size, generate fine mesh and gives more accurate results. After the completing of mesh, basic constraints of the cantilever beam is fixing one end of the beam and free at other end of the beam. So right-click on a static structural and select Fixed Support. Select one end surface and click Apply. In this analysis, we are applying a point load at the free end of the beam. Once again, right-click on the static structural and select Force. Here we have selected the edge of the free end. Change the selecting option to Edge Selection and select the edge of the beam. Click Apply. Now we have to specify the force direction. Click on Vector and change to Components. From the above geometry, the force has to apply in the negative y direction. The given value should also be in negative y-axis only. After specifying the force, right-click on Solution. From that, Deformation and select Total Deformation. Once again, right-click on Solution. From that, Stress and select Equivalent von Mises stress. Again, right-click on the solution and select Solve. After solving, click on the total deformation to view the deformed shape. As like that, click on the stress to view the stress contour. Thank you so much for watching our video, and finally do like and subscribe to our channel.